Alright, second attempt at this video after I had to go back and re-scrape some stuff. um, I just ended up scraping the rest of the BPI stuff from after the last video. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to rename your teams in the Bovada column. So I've moved the names tab over so it was a little bit closer. It does have this little lock here, so it means it's going to give you a warning before you try and edit that page. This is an acceptable edit of this page, but Minnesota U, it appears, is not in your Bovada list, is my guess here. So we're going to copy Minnesota U. Then we're going to go over to names and find Minnesota U. Actually, this is a good question. So I'll show you. You can just hit Control F if you're dumb like me. Mennnesota. So it looks like there's only one Minnesota, so I'm hoping this is the right one. But we're going to paste it into column J, and this is where the warning is going to pop up. We're going to do paste special too. We're going to paste just the value. So this is going to pop up, and it's going to say, are you okay with editing this? Click on the don't show this again if you've got a couple of them to do, so we don't have to look at this every time, and then just click OK. So Minnesota U is in there, and now it's in there 11 times. So there are no other Minnesotas, so I'm assuming that's the right one. So we can go back over. Notice everything disappeared on the Minnesota U page. So we're going to do the same with Arizona State. Copy. Names. And then we're going to scroll up because I'm guessing it's under ASU. So we find Arizona State. And it's not in column J yet. So we're going to paste special. Paste value only. Boom. Games data. Check. All right, we're good there. So now we're going to get Gonzaga, which this is what I was talking about with the, I just realized we didn't do that. So we're going to have to go back to the Bovada page. This is a good lesson. We got to cancel out. Make sure you go all the way back to right after the A and then click enter. We're going to delete out the 25 on Washington U and hit enter right after the U so there's no extra space at the end. We're going to go down to Buffalo, delete out the 21, and make sure we're right after the O so there's no extra space. Hit enter. There's no other numbers in here. Okay, so we're going to go back to games data. Notice that Gonzaga has now filled in. Kent State, we're going to copy it. We're going to go to names. We're going to scroll down to the K's. Oop, pass by them. HIJK, Kent State. Paste special, value only. Games data should fill out. Looks like we might have a problem with Brown, which seems odd. But we're going to just copy it here and see if that's what's going on. Oops, names. We're going to go, and I'm guessing that might actually be you texting me right now. We're going to put Brown in here. Paste special, values only. Go back. All right, so there's something going on down with all these, so I'm just going to end this video and we'll upload it.